guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start with the micellar water by cleaning up my brow area, making sure it's clean before I apply my pencil. So I'm going to be using the got2b glue to lay my brow hair flat. Once that is laid, we're going to try and take away any excess product we have on the brow, and then we're going to start by using the pencil to outline my brow. Now we're going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Now I'm going to be using a pencil, so I'm going to be starting from the bottom and then I'm going to work my way at the top, trying to carve out a line. And don't worry if the eyebrow is looking a little bit messy, because once we come with the concealer, we're going to clean it up and shape it up. And as usual, we are going to repeat the same step on the other eye. I'm going to be using a flat concealer brush, so you want to make sure your brush is flat when you're carving out your brow. And I'm going to start from the bottom area, and then once I'm finished with that area, I'm going to blend it out and then work my way at the top. Now for the top area, I'm going to be using eyeshadow base mixed with my foundation. So now I'm not going to be saying much because we are going to repeat the same process again. Now we're going to be checking my brows to make sure they are literally the same. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this short mini video. I hope you guys learned something from this, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even drop me a comment and let me know what you think.